So hello everyone. So here we have the situation on the same axis. Sketch the graph y is equals to x over 5. So do remember x over 5 is a linear graph. It's not a reciprocal graph. Followed by y is equals to square root of x. So here we have two curves. One is linear curve, another one is surd or square root. Hence, find the volume of the solid generated when the region bounded by the two graphs is rotated through 2 pi radian about the y-axis. So first task is to find the points of intersection. So here we have y is equals to x over 5 and followed by y is equals to square root of x. So in order to find the intersection point, kindly equate the situation and where we have x over 5 equals to square roots of x. Then square both sides. So if we square both sides, and we will have x squared over 25 equals to x. Then kindly cross multiply and then rearrange the situation, and we will have x squared minus 25x. So factorize the situation and we will have x multiplied with the bracket x minus 25. So finally x is equals to 0 and x equals to 25. Next, substitute the value x into the y. Okay, so take for example, we substitute in here. If the value of x is 0, automatically the y also 0. If the x is 25 and the value of y is 5. So here we have the intersection point between the curve, okay, and the line. Next, what we have to do is to sketch the graph y is equals to x, okay, power of 1 over 2. So basically, here will be the graph for square root of x. Next is to sketch the graph for y equals to x over 5. So as we all know, in here we already have 2 points of intersection where we have the origin 0, 0 and 25, 5. So kindly refers to the question. The question mentioned that region bounded by the two graphs. So here will be the region. Okay. Then it's rotated. If it's a y-axis, so meaning that what we have to do is to draw a line, the longest minus the shortest. So do remember, you must modify the situation where we have x is equals to y squared. Okay, then we have x is equals to 5y. So integrate the situation. We have the pi. Okay, we have the pi. The longest one will be the straight line. So we have 5y bracket square minus, okay, minus the shortest line is the curve where we have y squared. So do remember to square the situation with respect to y for the limits 0 until 5, because here is 5. So next what we have to do is to integrate the situation. So 25 y squared, if we integrate, we will have y to the power of 3 over 3 minus, here we have y to the power of 4. So y to the power of 5 over 5. For the limits 5, 0. So now, in order to find the volume, kindly substitute the situation and we will have pi bracket. If we substitute the 5, okay, so in total we will have 1250 over 3. Next, if we substitute 0, and we will have negative 0. So finally, the volume is 1250 pi over 3 unit cube. So basically, this is the example for volume.